Hello everyone, myself Sanjay.
And I am Beena. We are thrilled to introduce to a game changer in the world of coding, a tool that's going to save developer countless hours and elevate the quality of our projects. Let's meet our autodoc, our automatic code documenter.
Now we all know that writing code is an art form. It's complex, creative, and challenging. But documenting the code, well, that can be tedious, time consuming, and let's face it, not the most exciting part of developer's job. But it's necessary. Good documentation is like a roadmap to our code. It makes the code easier to understand and maintain.
Enter autodoc, it's designed to take this load off our shoulders. How, you might ask? Let's dive into the workflow.
First, you feed Autodoc a zip file, maybe a GitHub repo of your project's code. Our tool will unzip it and get all the files lined up, ready for action.
Next, Autodoc starts sorting. It shifts through all the files, picking out the one we care about based on file types and size, much like choosing the right ingredients for a perfect dish.
Once we have all our important files, Autodoc sends each one of the file like a little chat to our AI model. This AI model is a bit like a code whisperer, understanding what the code is about and making notes of all the important bits.
But we didn't just stop a bunch of independent analysis, right? We want to see the big picture. So all these insights are pulled together into a global dictionary. This becomes our master blueprint of a project's code.
And now the grand finale. Using the master blueprint, Autodocs crafts a detailed and clear handy documentation of the whole project. It's like turning bunch of puzzle into a complete picture. Best part, it generates it in a markdown format, perfect for platforms like GitHub.
Now we will give you the demo of a tool.
Okay, now comes the fun part, demo of our tool. Firstly, we'll search a random GitHub repository to feed our Autodoc. Maybe like Aadhaar, something will do. Okay, these are not that popular. We'll find someone with good number of stars. Uh, Indian. These are also having very less stars. Okay, let's go with this. Let's download the repository. Okay, let's start the server. Server has started. We'll send the repository. JavaScript inherently doesn't allow downloading of files. That's why we can't do all this in extension. We might need to do a server thing, but it will take a lot of time, as like sending each request is taking a lot of time. So we are doing it as a part of external tool. Okay, like this max size in kilobytes. Like this is used for filtering purposes. So this is the response we got from it. Now this will have one global dictionary for it. So we will run that. We'll again feed that dictionary to Autodoc. Mm. I'm in the wrong directory. So here we have a server. Now this is the global dictionary we are again feeding to our autodoc. Wait, like it has a lot of files. Each individual is analyzed and sent through API. So it's taking time. Generally, it is fast. Okay. This is what we got from it. Pretty cool, right?
But we didn't stop there. We have also built an extension. With it, you can simply select a text and send it to OpenAI API, which will return a concise summary of the selected text, a perfect little assistant for a coding task.
Now I will show you demonstration for our autodoc extension. Okay, let me go through fresh installation, extensions, mode impact, autodocs, selecting folder. We'll go to some popular GitHub repository. These days, Next.js is quite famous. Let's go there. If this one looks fine. Okay. We can we can select any folder for any file to check the documentation. Let's do this. Let's select all this. Right click, generate documentation. Okay, it hangs sometimes. Okay, now where we got the output, we got it pretty fast, right? See, run for change, JS, usage, overview. Like we can understand the code much better here. The goal of Autodoc is simple: to automate the mundane so that we can focus on the creative. We believe that saving time on documentation, developer can focus more on what we love, writing the great code.
So that's Autodoc is a nutshell. It's not just a tool, but a friend who is ready to take on the often overlooked task of a documentation. So let's Autodoc handle the documenting, and you, my friend, just keep on coding.